Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the left vegetable rail in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new left vegetable rail. This vegetable rail supports the left side crisper drawer. It's mounted on the left side of the cabinet. The most common reason to replace the vegetable rail is if it breaks and no longer allows the drawer to glide. To get to the part, we need to open both refrigerator doors. Let's remove both crisper drawers, pull it out and lift up, and then we can take them out. Same thing on the right side, and pull it up and out. Our next step would be freeing that support from the bottom on this cover here. I'm going to do it by pressing down on the cover and sliding forward the support. We're going to disengage that tab at the back. Now going to slide the crisper cover assembly forward and remove it. To take out the left vegetable rail, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Then I'm going to peel it off the wall and pull it forward. Before going any further, we need to remove this roller from the old rail so we can install it onto the new one. Alright, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, going to press it out. It may fly away, but we're going to catch it and put it back where it belongs. This is the old left vegetable rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before placing that rail into the fridge, we need to first install this roller. We're going to drop it in and press it down. Alright, so I can install this left vegetable rail. This pin goes into this cutout. I'm going to push it in, press in and push in. Then I'm going to secure it with two Phillips screws. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. Alright, now I'm going to install this crisper cover assembly and the crispers. Alright, so let's bring that cover assembly. Place it on the rails, slide it back, and then we're going to lock this support. Press down the cover slightly and the tab goes over and latches in. We're going to install the crisper, slide it in, and the second one, slightly angle it and roll it in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.